my Big Mack Snack-Wraps? It's your boy, the Miggity Mack, and welcome to another show. Today's show, we are doing something quick, something simple. I have 2 wraps right here, some fries, some ketchup. Now on these wraps, it's I got my tortillas. I have some cheese, lettuce, ranch. But the star of the show is this right here. Now, this may look like chicken, fried chicken, but it's not. That's oyster mushrooms, y'all. So we got an oyster mushroom wrap. And right here, I got some local hot sauce, Volcano Johnny's. I got this at the farmer's market. This is really good. We're gonna say a prayer, y'all, and we're gonna get into this. Amen. So this is like a snack wrap that I used to have at McDonald's. And y'all my snack wraps. Y'all know the Big Mack Snack-Wraps. So I decided this is gonna be fitting for my snack wraps, you know? All right, I'm gonna take a bite without the hot sauce first. All right, I'll see that. All right, take a bite. Crunchy. That's good, y'all. I got these oyster mushrooms for my farmer's market. When I got the hot sauce, my mom cooked them this morning, and I just put them back in the air fryer. That's why they're a little crispy. Great chicken replacement, y'all. And kind of take the oyster mushroom, kind of break down the pieces a little bit, so they're a little more bite size, and then you batter them just like you would chicken and fry them just like you would chicken. Season it just like you would chicken. Great alternative. Low in fat, no cholesterol. Y'all, it's been, I know lately I've been saying it's been hot. But it legit has been hot. It has reached 110 out here in these last few days. 110 degrees. Pick these up. We're gonna swirl a little bit, and then we're gonna sip a whole lot of bit. But y'all, we've been trying to stay cool and out the way because it's too hot. And I got Wingstop ranch on this. You can also like make these and put your favorite wing sauce on it. It's so bomb, y'all. I'm trying to show y'all the inside of one. Alright, y'all see that? Kind of resembles chicken, right? Now, right now I'm not vegan or anything, or vegetarian, but I still like to include that in my meals sometimes out the week, you know. Go meatless. But I have been thinking about going back plant-based. It's just that everything is starting to taste kind of blah. So I think I need a reset. Like a detox, a reset, a cleanse. So I might be going back plant-based, y'all. We shall see. We shall see. Whew, I'm already getting full, y'all. And you can get oyster mushrooms at Sprouts, Whole Foods. Try your farmer's market or your international market in your city. Y'all, I'm full. Whew. I'm probably gonna keep this video short. And I know sometimes when people like don't finish their food on camera, people be like, oh, they didn't like it. Oh, I enjoyed this. Please believe it. I'm probably gonna freeze my leftovers and come back with it in about a week. If y'all can find these oyster mushrooms, fry them up like you do chicken, and tell me what you think. So, y'all let me know. Alright, shout out to all my day ones, all my new snack wraps, everybody in between. Thank y'all for coming to kick it with me, my snack wraps. I love y'all, thank y'all, appreciate y'all. I will see y'all in the next video. And I will see y'all tomorrow because wifey put out 2 videos back to back because I didn't have one in the chamber. So she put one out that she has, because usually we go me, her, me, her, me, her, me, her. So I gotta double up. So I will see y'all tomorrow in the next video. I love y'all. I thank y'all. I appreciate y'all. Until we eat again, my beautiful snack wraps. Peace.